I was searching for neutral yet elegant Christmas decor that could feel cozy and a little bit elevated. At 13 tall by 4 wide and 9 tall by 3.5 wide, they add a little bit of height, a little bit of interest, but I can still see over them. There's slight difference between the two. One has the gold glitter on the top, the other doesn't, and they're slightly different champagne gold colors. I love that they have that modern silhouette aesthetic, but they add a little bit of difference with the finishes. I'd say 3 things I really love the most are the premium wooden build. They feel sturdy, reusable. I definitely think they're going to last a long time. I love that they tie in with my other champagne gold elements. The play against these metal bells is just gorgeous in my opinion. And I like the kind of antique vintage pine tree design that looks great from every angle. Fairly lightweight but sturdy. I think they work just fine for families with small children or pets. There is a little bit of glitter fallout. It's glued on glitter, but you do need to know that. I do think these would be really great for gifts, like a family friend going to a holiday party kind of a gift. So I guess in all, I'd say these Christmas trees are sturdy, they're elegant, they're perfectly sized for me, they're a great holiday display, and they kind of give that festive vibe without being over the top. Definitely beautiful in person and definitely can be used year after year. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.